can't wait. I just can't wait to hold you, a baby. Oh, it's been a long time since I've seen that face. Oh, that pretty little face. Let me wrap my arms.
Oh, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another wig review. Nadula was kind enough to send me their hair. We're going to be playing with it today. I'm very, very excited. But check out this packaging right here. I love that it came in a bag. Very fancy, right? Very fancy. Let's open her up and see what we are working with today. I'm keeping this bag. This is a good bag, okay? The box here. Very nice. In the box, you do get some goodies. Okay, you get the stash. Oh, you get some wig caps, and they were really generous with the wig caps, which I like. So you get wig caps right here. You get 2 of the headbands, and you get nails. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the hair. So this is it right here. Do give you wig strips as well if you feel like you need some more security with your wig. Super excited, I'm excited. Already I could tell that I like it. Look at this. Look at the curls. And look how shiny she is. The color is definitely giving a natural black, a natural 1B. It already comes with the dry roller, so we could have some type of body in the curtain bang, which is amazing. She is gorgeous, okay? So let me give you the deets of the hair so you guys know what we're working with. So the lace is a 13x4. This is a 24-inch natural black, so I will say it's like a 1B. This is really, really thick. I could tell by how I am touching it right now that it is thick. So they give you a lot of hair. The curls are intact. Mind you, it's been traveling, so you could see the curls are intact. This is the lace right here. Already I'm liking the lace. The knots are really, really small. It is bleached to perfection. Definitely a ready to go wig. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked. That's what I like. I am super lazy when it comes to my hair. I don't want to do any work when it comes to my wigs at all. Flip her over to see the construction of the wig. As you can see, you get a lot of lace, a lot of parting space. So you can really style this wig however you feel, honestly. They do have an ear cutout part right here, and it does have some tape here for more security on this side, on the ear port, on each side. All it has is a comb in the back, which I like because I feel like the less comb a wig has, the less bulky it is. So this is really, really good. When you go inside here, it does have your grip right here. So it's gonna be intact. Like I mentioned, you have your comb here. You have your elastic band here to adjust for more security. And you also have a second one right here to add security or to tighten it or loosen it as however you want. So I feel like it is all head friendly. Now that we talked about the hair and what I think, so let's do our thing, okay? Let's try her on. So I'm gonna push my hair back. All right, you have the hair here. I'm super excited to try it. Already I can see that there's layers in this hair, and I love a good layer. I'm gonna keep the rollers on while I put the hair. Oh my God, I'm already loving it. I look like a Victoria's Secret angel. Oh my gosh. So the bangs are a little long, which is fine. Perfect. I'm gonna point cut, okay? Which makes it easy. And you wanna go little by little too. You do not wanna go crazy. So I like to comb it out and see what I need to do. I like that it's already layered, so it's framing your face. So we're gonna cut a little bit more. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take this and clip it to the side. Got the flap here, but we're gonna work with that, okay? Now I'm just going to bump the ends a little bit. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go back in with the dry roller. Perfect. Let's play around with her. Let's style her up. You could obviously leave her like this, but we're gonna play around and see what we could do with this. We can have some fun, okay? So nice. I love the hair. I feel like I'm a 90s baddie. Oh man, I really, really like this hair. Really, really like it. It's so fun. It's easy to play around with. Love this updo. Like if you want, you could even make it a little messier if you want. Like you could just add some hair going down if you want, which I'm gonna do. Like that. I really, really like this hair. This is so nice. I love the curtain bangs. I feel like the way that they styled this wig is definitely like anybody could wear this wig. Honestly, it's super easy. It's definitely a wear and go wig. Obviously, you have to modify the bangs a little bit. Not a hairstylist or anything like that. And I even was able to do, you know, just to trim it a little bit, pre-curled, which is amazing. All I did was run a big comb through the hair. You can also use your fingers as well, but I didn't really curl it. I did add a little bit more layers in the front because I like layers, but it is pre-cut and pre-styled. So nice. You could leave this here or you could just push it back in your ears if you want. This is such a fun wig, you know, so you could do this if you want. Like, you could do pretty much anything. This is a really nice festive hair as well. So if you have somewhere that you need to go, this is the hair. You could really play around with it. Guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this hair. Me personally, I love this hair. I had so much fun styling and playing around with it. It's giving 90s. It's giving Charlie's Angels, Victoria's Secrets. I really do feel like a model. Like, I feel like I'm super glammed up right now. Let me know if you guys tried Nadula hair before. Let me know your experience and your thoughts. And if you do end up getting this hair, let me know in the comments down below. All the hair details will be in the description box down below for you, so you guys can snag this hair. And I will see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye.